Hi everybody, welcome to ExcelProp Marketing Services. Just thought of showing you the construction status of the project, Godrej Ananda. We are looking at Godrej Ananda. Phase 1, Phase 2 sold out. Anybody who is interested for 2 BHK, fine with the lower floors. Phase 1 builder unit reaches, we will try to connect you with, not connect you with, we'll try to get you very good discount on the pricing if you're fine with the units which are available for sale. All phase 1, all 3 towers have units, 2 BHK, ground floor, west facing and east facing only. So reachers, we will definitely check for good options, good pricing. We'll try our best to get you whatever possible from our side. Well, this is the marketing place which we are looking. So however, I'm not sure whether they will allow us to go inside and take a video. Well, we'll just try to quickly take a video from outside and we'll come back. It should not be like, let's see. Some work is going on. Let's not go inside without permission. That's not good. Well, here is phase 1. Phase 1 is with 3 towers. GEF. We have 2 BHK 995 square feet apartment available for sale, 995 2 BHK. So now people who are getting confused whether Godrej has 995 square feet, yes, they have it in phase 2. Oh, sorry, they have it in phase 1, not in phase 2. Just look out the way they have done the tower construction. Very quickly they have developed phase 1. I think it's been 1 year now, 1 or 1.5 year now, almost close to 1.5 year, 2 years now. So marketing office. So we'll just look out up to what level of construction they have done it. This area mostly is gonna be amenities area like swimming pool or badminton court or volleyball, basketball court. I think basketball court was there. Very nice place for relaxation. A good project. So this is phase 1 and phase 2 construction. Not still from here it is not properly visible. Just come here just to look out. If you're interested for phase 1 reaches, we have 2 BHK ground floor. That's it from our side. Thank you so much for watching us. Have a nice day. Stay safe everybody.